Hi everyone, this is Preeti this side and welcome back to my channel. So where am I going today? Where am I going today? Let me first get ready. Hi guys. So basically we are going to quite a number of places, but I don't want to tell that now only. So come along and just know it. Okay, so by now you have clearly understood that where have I come? Yes, it is the Indian Coffee House. Which is in College Street, Purono Coffee House, which is like almost decades old, and many memories are here. Famous Gan Coffee House Addata Ajarni has been written about this place only. Though this place is famous for not a single thing but a number of things like বিকেলের কফি আড্ডা বন্ধুদের সাথে আউটিংয়ের পর ওখানে খাওয়া দাওয়া it is a famous place for a number of things and I have come here almost after 4 years. Like I felt just so homely after 4 years and it is as same as it was 4 years ago. And the tasty khabar কি নেই I was so delighted when I went here. আমার একদম মনে হলো না যে I have come here after 4 years. I felt the same ambience, I felt the same thing which was actually 4 years ago, and it really felt like my own home, man. কখনো কিছু জিনিস চেঞ্জ হয় না, and this is one of the places which never changes at all. I am so delighted, I was so delighted to visit this place after so long. So moving on to the next part of the day was to visit Shauchari Puja special exhibition come Puja sale arranged by this female group named Shauchari, and things we bought from this exhibition I'll show that by the end of the video, so please be with me till the end. And yeah, that was quite a nice place to visit. So formally that marks the end of our outing, but I really need to show you guys the things we have bought. We shopped again quite a lot, not only clothes but also the accessories as well. I will show you guys in the haul, like a mini haul again, so please bear with me. Oh, by the way, the Boipada is closed because it's Sunday again and the shops are closed. It appears to be closed and many shops actually shut down because of lockdown. Few people told as well, so that really feels bad that the famous Boipada's few shops are closed due to this financial thing, and it's disgusting to see Boipada is closed. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I have sanitized each and everything, to be honest, because that's the way out. And I'm really sorry and apologetic that if you guys are getting any mica sound from background, because a vaccination camp is going on in our residential playground. So I'm really sorry about that thing. And yeah, let's just start the haul. So for the very first store we have Bonedi Hut. This is the packet basically. I have kept everything outside. So the first thing we bought from there is this kurti for my Ashtami outfit. This is the case. I don't know whether you guys can even getting an idea about the length and all, but yeah, it do fits me well. I have tried as well, so that's quite a good color and quality is as always amazing. Second thing from this store is another dress. It is not mine, it is for my mom. So this is a fish print long dress. Again, it's wholly handmade and quality to bolari kichu nahi. That's something really amazing, more than amazing. And yeah, I told it like in the previous video as well. Hopefully that video will be up in the time by the time this video goes up, but I'll link all of their Facebook pages and or / Facebook stores in my description box below. So in case you guys are interested, please do check out because they sell something really amazing and the materials are more than your satisfactory level. Next thing we bought is that this purse. Actually, there were two purses. One purse was for my grandmom, like my nanny, and one my mother. Like we bought it for like 220. Yeah. So it's a very handy purse here. a lot of things will fit in, and again it's handmade and hand designed. So if you guys might be wondering that it is of the same background like the previous one, yes, I like to chill at this place of my room, like to sanitize the things, to settling up for my video, and to do this small hauls. I like to prefer this corner of my room because it is spacious and very my type, like boring. So I prefer this corner of the room mostly. Next, shop number 2 is that only full packet of my mother's outfits. So for some reason, matlab not a reason, she told me that nothing to be showed here because it is wholly her. So I won't show it like the one I did to the previous video as well. As you guys might have seen in the video as well, Mama is shopping from that ceramic shop. So this particular things we have purchased from that shop only, and you guys need to see it as well. So the very first thing from this shop is this flamingo coffee mug, which is obviously for myself. Like it is very handy as well, and it will fit to my like specification very easily. Like I like mugs a lot. Like in my house, without me nobody eats or drinks anything in this big at least. So this is something really amazing. On to the next thing is that I have this leaf shape fish plate, like wholly of ceramic. It's great, like it's great thing. Like I was looking for such a plate, like the decorative plates for a really long now, and I have been finding by this or that only, and I found this plate very stylish. So on to the next one is that this coffee set, coffee not coffee, it's tea set, like ceramic tea set. And the most amazing thing about this set is I have to handle with very care, otherwise my mom's gonna shout at me. This kettle, like they have this set of kettle and 4 pieces cup. Like they don't have plates like ceramic. Think of one rule is that they don't have plates, they serve with a kettle instead, and it looks so pretty. I mean, you guys can see that, right? I mean, the color, the chamak, you say na, the sparkle is something. Like ami samne theke dekhchi, then only I'm getting it. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but yeah, that's something great. The last and final thing from the exhibition that I bought is very less, like I want to tell something about that thing is that I cannot show it right now, neither I can tell you guys how it looks like and something like that, because I have digested that already and sorry. So I bought one chocolate mousse and one bar chocolate of chocolate and nuts and dry fruits ka chocolate bar. So that was fully homemade, and that cost me 180, like 100 for the mousse and 80 for the bar chocolate. So I won't be able to show it because I have already gulped it and I couldn't. আমি একদম ভুলে গেছিলাম that I need to make a haul as well. So nothing to worry about. I make sure to link her page also in the description box below. And first thing first, again, like it's not the first thing, like I'm telling it at the end of the video, but still it is not a sponsored haul. Like they haven't told me or requested me to show or to promote their pages anyway. I am doing it by myself to tell the world that these ladies are trying hard to earn money. It's not that they come from a needy family or they belong to a needy family, that really doesn't mean so, but they are trying to build themselves, like have something of their own, which is great, like great thing. So at least in this time people should at least focus on that as well. So that's totally my case, that I'm promoting their pages and their products because I am wholly satisfied with that thing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video, like coffee house exhibition and these things and the pages in the description box. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave your views in the comment box below, press the bell icon to not miss any update about my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.